Sarah here, reporting on Premier Janitorial SF, a division of House Cleaning SF LLC, a Diamond certified commercial cleaning company serving offices, retail spaces, schools, and apartment buildings throughout San Francisco and the surrounding areas. Our Diamond certified research shows that owner Noe Silva and his team are qualified to handle everything from window washing and carpet cleaning to restroom sanitation and post-construction cleaning. Mr. Silva personally conducts walkthroughs and provides detailed estimates to ensure transparency and satisfaction on every job. Mr. Silva says Premier Janitorial SF's ability to provide consistent quality has been the key to its continued success. Its team members receive ongoing training to keep up with the latest cleaning techniques and safety standards, and they quickly respond to concerns and follow up after each job to ensure high levels of customer satisfaction. That's our report on Premier Janitorial SF, where, as Mr. Silva says, they go beyond routine cleaning to deliver reliable service and build long-term relationships. I'm Sarah Withers, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.